Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Life. This example features a 79 kWh battery producing the equivalent of 286 PS. This example is finished in the energetic orange metallic paint colour, and taking a look at some of the exterior features. In the front bumper we'll find front parking sensors as well as a front camera, and the vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch Tilburg black diamond turned alloy wheels. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find privacy glass on the rear windows, and the vehicle also features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space. This comes complete with a retractable parcel shelf. For the rear passengers, there is a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration, allowing 3 occupants to sit comfortably. Moving up into the cab area, we'll find 2 singular seats, again finished in the cloth Sonam upholstery. The 2 front seats feature an armrest each as well as a heated function. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or access any of your favourite radio stations. The system also allows you to control vehicle settings as well as access the inbuilt navigation, and for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.